Today we're going to be checking out the gold Paydirt from goldennuggetsales.com. On the back it says a nice little note, thank you Frank, GNS team. What it says is, all our Paydirt is unsearched. We work hard to ensure we are delivering the best gold Paydirts available. Unsearched means it may contain small amounts of organics or, in the very rare occasion, even man-made material like broken glass or other unwanted materials. Please be aware of this while panning. Has a nice weight to it, from Alaska. Let's go. Well, that didn't tear very easily. Look over here. Thought I saw a nugget in here. That's possible. Maybe I was seeing things. Y'all seen any gold jumping out? Ooh, wait a minute. What's that right there? It's a piece of gold. I knew I saw something. What do we got here? Let's take a look. Wow, that's a nice little chunk. Look at that. Visible. All right. That's a good start. Let's fill it up. Let's check for magnetics. Magnetics being the hardest thing to do. A little bit. Not much. A little bit. Just for the fun of it. Let's try the big magnet. Give you some comparison here. Oh yeah, check that out. Even some of those rocks are magnetic. Let's just go ahead and take these. Put them in there. See if we can find some more. Yeah, there's some more there. Put it in here. I don't know if you saw that or not. So that's what we have right there. There might be some gold trapped in there as well. And I'll show you how I get that out. First, let's classify. Got 3 sizes. First size, pretty big. Put that off to the side. Next size. See some gold in there. See that right there? There's one there, and a couple there. So let's pull those out. We'll put them in our little container that we have. There's like 4 pieces in there. See if I can get them out. Pretty nice. Cool. So far so good. That's what you're not to do. You shouldn't do that. There's the gold right there too on the table. And, all right, let me clean this up. And there's our next size. And that's our last size, by far the most. You know, because there's so much in the last size, I want to take it down even smaller. There's our next largest, and there's our smallest. And we have our sizes. From the largest, working our way down to the smallest, and the magnetic material right here. A little surfactant to break the water tension. Just a little bit, otherwise you will have a bubble bath. We're going to start with the finest material first. I put some water in it. Increase the water flow just a little bit. There's little specks of gold appearing throughout, real tiny stuff. Remember, this is our finest material, so it's going to be real small. A lot less. Now we'll just pan it out. Some gold peeking out there. A lot of glare there, I apologize, but there and there. Next largest size, split it. So that's gold right there and there. Look at those two that just popped in right there. Oh, there's a nice little bit up here and there, and some down here a little bit. Most of it's up there. And of course, anything that was missed here is going to be picked up down the line. And then one of those. You can just see it right there trying to get out anyways, but let's just shake it down anyways. See, it's starting to pop up right there. There's two. I don't want them yet, so shake them down, get them to go to the bottom. I just want the lighter stuff. See, there's some right there. Push it up with your finger if you want to. Tap it to the front. What I'm looking at is I'm looking up here, but I'm also looking down here to make sure nothing's escaping. Look at that. That's what I like to see. I think we got most of the black sand up. Now we'll just snuffer it up and move on to the next size. It's pretty. Very nice. next size is such a small amount that I'm just going to pan it out. When I get near the bottom, I'll tune you guys back in again. I see gold up there in the corner. See it up there? Yeah, right there. I really like Paydirt that's got different size gold in it. With this one I would have preferred more flour gold, but I think that's more for an expert bag, which will be the next one that we do next time, an expert bag. Alright, we got that cleaned out. Like that. Very pretty. Next size. There you go. Next size. Surprisingly, there's some big ones in there. Just drop one. If you can pick it up, it's a picker. Okay. Let's pan out the boulders. I would be shocked if there's anything in there. Let's do it. Oh, geez, I think I saw some gold in there. Did not anticipate that. Right there. Check that out. Look at that thing. Let me put it in there so you can see it. Right there. That's a picker. Make look. Nice. Let's see if we got anything else. Another piece. Right there. To there. Some nice little pickers in there. All right. And those are all pickers. Pick them up. Nice. All right. Let's pick them up. And yes, we have one more to go. The magnetics. They'll be next. And these are our magnetics. They're next. Not seeing anything in that one. Alright. That makes sense because the real tiny stuff was not in this Paydirt. Let's go ahead and lay out all the gold and see what we got. We found that earlier. Okay. Nice little stack. Let's take it out in the sun. Got some nice looking gold right there. I'll be weighing this up. That's some chunky gold. Definitely nuggets. Now we can determine the value of the gold using goldcalc.com. The value of the gold today is $3,204.12 an ounce. We found 1.05 grams. Now you can select 24 karat gold, 99 pure, because that's what the Paydirt vendors are willing to pay us for that gold, even though it's not 24 karat. So the value of our gold scrap value is $108.17. Not bad considering we only paid $103. So we've made some profit there. And had a lot of fun too.